Hello and welcome to this new tutorial. So before we start creating the blockchain, we need to install two little things. The first one will be Flask, which is a web framework that we'll use to build a web application which will basically contain the blockchain. And that's of course because we want to build a blockchain that can be used by any one of you online using some servers. And then the second tool we'll use is more to get a user-friendly interface as opposed to using the classic CURL to make some requests on the server, and that is Postman. Postman is an HTTP client and we will download it on this address. That's basically a user-friendly interface inside which we will interact with our blockchain. Alright, so first let's install Flask. So to install Flask, I actually prepared the command line pip install Flask with a capital F double equals 0.12.2. So I'm copying this. Then, so you just need to open a terminal for those of you who are on Mac and Linux. And for those of you who are on Windows, you go to the bottom left corner of your Windows screen. You click on the Windows button. You find in the list of programs Anaconda and then Anaconda Prompt. And Anaconda Prompt will be the equivalent to the terminal I'm opening right now. Alright, so here I'm on the terminal, I'm pasting the line, so I will of course provide the code at the end of this section, but you can just type this line very easily here. It's pip install flask double equals 0.12.2, and then you can just press enter and this will install Flask. So Flask was already installed on my machine, that's why I already had everything installed here, but if you have not Flask installed yet on your machine, this should not take too much time. Alright, so make sure to install Flask, and now we're gonna get Postman. Let's do this. So just go to Google and then just type here Postman. Alright, enter. And then just take the first link, Postman API Development Environment. And then you're gonna see it's gonna be very easy. Choose your system here. I'm on Mac OS, so I'm just pressing here, Mac. Your download will begin automatically in a few seconds, and here is the download. I'm showing that to you. Here it is, Postman OS X, and it's already downloaded. It's a small file, not like Anaconda. So now we're going to go to our download folder. Here it is, and here is Postman. You double click on the file to unzip it, and this will get you the installation file that you just need to double click on, and there you go. Postman will open, and I will just quickly show you what Postman looks like. So you can sign up with Google or sign up entering your information. I already have an account, so I'll just sign in here. And here we are on Postman. Alright, so this is what it looks like. When you see this page at the beginning, you can have a look around, but we won't need it actually. This is what we'll directly use in Postman, and the most important things that I can already show you are those requests here. Get, here we are on the get request, but we'll use also the post request. We'll use the get request to, for example, get the actual state of our blockchain, or even to mine a block. So we will use the get request for that, and we will also use the post request, and that will be, for example, to add a new transaction that happens between some of you guys. And so why will we use the post request instead of the get request? That's basically because we will create a JSON file on which we will enter the sender address, the receiver address, and the amount of altcoins exchanged. Because the name of the cryptocurrency that we'll build in module 2 is called the altcoin. But that's for module 2. And therefore we won't use any post request in module 1, because basically in module 1 we will only mine some blocks and get, as I said, the actual state of the blockchain. And then I'll show you how to use all this. No worries, this will be basically the demo at the end of the modules to show you what we built and to show you how we can use it. Alright, so that's it. We now have everything installed for module 1. We're ready to start building the blockchain. I can't wait to start, and until then, enjoy blockchains.